for this. Everything I'm doing is off the top of my head, winging it, taking it as it comes, when the court is well aware that I was not prepared.
Judge Doro let defendant Darrell Brooks, who was representing himself, rant for 50 minutes about everything he thought was unfair. Afterwards, Sue Opper from the prosecution was able to respond, and it was so well done.
The court patiently went through the form and advised him of many of the things he's complaining about here today: the resources of the state, the knowledge of the law, his ignorance of the law. And his words to this court, and I quote to the best of my ability, "It don't make me flinch one bit." That's what he told this court, whatever it was, 2 weeks ago. Now he's here complaining over and over and over again how unfair this is to him. It's highly offensive. I want to address this claim that he only had 3 days to prepare for trial. It's absolutely a false statement. The record should reflect that he does have 3 banker's boxes on his table. The record should reflect that every time the state calls a witness to the stand, he swiftly and easily turns to those boxes, which appear to be alphabetized or organized in some fashion by the public defenders who turned it over to him, and quickly removes the folder of the witness who's testifying and effectively cross-examines that witness using notes from the public defender. We know that because he's tried to confront witnesses with the notes from the public defender. He is not going into this blind or with one arm tied behind his back. They did all the homework, and he's simply sitting here reading their notes, reading their cross-examination questions, and asking the questions, and then going on to his ridiculous questions having to do with his belief in the sovereign citizen movement. He makes conflicting statements. On one hand, you violated his rights because it's taken us so long to get to trial, and on the other hand, we're rushing him to this case and he hasn't had adequate time to prepare.